there's a long line here. About like 3 blocks. I want to 단동도 check.
머리 한번 완동
못 봐라. Okay. Hi, honey. For testing. I'm here
What are you doing here?
for the test. COVID-19 test.
That's good. There's a lot of people. We have to stay 6 feet away. We thought I'm going to test COVID-19. Nhớ tuần được sinh thoại nè. Mình trong hành tí kia lấy lô.
Long line. A squirrel making line. This is the National Gut Center. Raining. And there's so many people in the back. Oh my God.
It's gotta be 6 feet away.
I know. I'm sorry. They are 6 feet away. My daughter just brought me umbrella. How are you doing, honey? No one cares. Here?
Good luck. Good luck. You said 1967, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then we twirl it around for about 5 seconds, and then you're done.
Oh, okay.
So it's really painless and easy, okay?
Uh-huh.
And get this set up here.
So how do we know the result?
We believe that they're going to call you within 3 to 4 days if you're positive.
Oh, okay.
They may or may not call you though if you are negative.
Oh,
so if you don't get a phone call,
I'm
be
fine.
negative, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, you can take on your mask. And then I'm going to turn it around. And you're all good to go.
That's it?
That's it.
Wow.
Really easy, right?
Thank you. Yes.
Yeah, of course. Have a good day.
Yes, thank you. Okay, I'm done now.
Yeah,